Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with admin rights because registry edits require elevation. Once signed in, press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type Regedit and hit Enter to launch the Registry Editor. Make sure to read the user account control prompt and click Yes. This step opens the registry hive tree immediately so you can begin. Once done, pause and visually confirm the left pane shows H-key local machine and H-key current user before proceeding to edits. With Regedit open, you navigate the hive tree to the exact key you need. Use Edit Find for names or values to speed the search. Before changing anything, right-click the target key and choose Export, saving A. Reg Backup. This lets you restore later if required. When ready, right-click Values to modify or use New to create DWORD or string entries. Make deliberate changes and note original values, so you can reverse them if something behaves differently. After making edits, close Registry Editor and restart the app or Windows to let changes take effect. You'll often need a reboot for system-level keys. Verify the behavior you intended, and if something goes wrong, import your exported. Reg file to restore previous settings. Choose File Import or double-click the Reg. If Regedit fails to open or is blocked, run Regedit. exe from C. /Windows/System32.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.